Have you had a chance, Miss Mallory, to visit again with
Um,
it?
I'm sorry, I have not.
Oh, that's
But
all right.
okay.
I just was
I,
curious.
yeah.
I have two over here, both of them in C ones, looking at the attorney, so we need to see him first, and then, yeah, and then Munger.
I'm ready when you are, Maureen.
Okay, he's getting oohs now.
All right, thank you.
This is your video court for Kansas City, Kansas again.
Hello, Mr. Wu. I am Judge Whitman again with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. Your lawyer is present. What I'd like for you to do is visit briefly with her. So if you would ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to your lawyer in private.
Okay. Uh, yes.
Judge, do you know why we don't have any trials next Thursday, 8/27? Is there a thing happening?
Because I will be out of town and Schultz is gone.
Okay, I
Couldn't get
pro
a
tem,
Dominic couldn't get a pro tem at all.
no worries, boss. Okay, thank you. I also thought it might have been judicial conference, but
Yeah, no. We'll wait for your lawyer, Mr. Wu.
Okay.
Miss Sherry, is she still there?
She is. I don't know how to move her. Let me see if I can
All right.
figure it out. One moment.
Yeah.
Uh, nope.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the lawyer to come back. She doesn't look like she knows how to get back, so. There she is. Miss Mallory, or excuse me, Miss Malloy. You're on mute.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Are we ready to proceed with the plea, do you believe, or some other disposition?
No, I think we're ready to proceed with the plea. Don does have schizophrenia. He takes a lot of medication, although he hasn't been on it lately, and that
Okay.
does affect his abilities, but I think we've talked it through.
All right. Mr. Wu, it's my understanding that you want to enter a plea today to 2 counts of trespassing. And all the other charges would be dismissed. Do you understand that? Excuse me.
Yes.
Entering these pleas, however, you are giving up your right to a trial. The city must prove you did these things. You don't have to prove anything. But by entering these pleas, you're giving up that right to a trial. Is that how you want to proceed today?
I don't want to go to trial. I want to accept the plea.
Okay. All right. So how do you plead to those 2 counts of trespass? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I'll accept your pleas. The other charges will be dismissed. There are no fines and costs involved. You will receive credit for the time you served, and you will be released today.
Okay.
There are no other pending charges that you have. So as far as the court's concerned right now, you don't have any business before the court. All right?
Okay.
All right. I wish you good luck. We will send over the paperwork. I don't know the exact time you'll get out because the
Okay.
jail has to do certain things, but you will be getting out today.
Okay.
Uh,
Thank
uh,
you.
Miss Malloy, did you have anything or?
No, Your
that-
Honor, I just want to thank you for being so cooperative and working with us as we got to this point.
All right. Sounds great. All
Okay,
right. I wish you good luck, Mr. Wu.
thank
Okay.
you.
All right. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Appreciate
Right,
it.
I'm going to drop out now.
Sounds great.
Next person is Garrett Mumfree.
Okay. He was the one that didn't want to come out. Remember, Miss Ashley?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, and he doesn't, yep. We'll
Yeah.
just,
And
if
so,
he
yeah,
wishes
I'm
to speak
gonna,
with us today, then I'll speak with him.
yeah, sounds good. Well, maybe he's not coming out.
We will, I've got time. We can wait.
Yeah.
He's saying he doesn't want to participate again, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. I'll probably be sending over something to release him today.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
I'm going to change pots and we're going to see Sean Strutton.
All right, thank you. All right, Miss Sherry, on Mr. Mumfree, let's OR him out with conditions not to go to those two places on Thorpe and set his date for August 31st at 1.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
And then just a reminder on Strutton, Mr. Copeland, that is a revocation. It should be an H status,
Uh,
but it says A. But I have guilty. There should be a
He
motion.
failed to appear for probation is what he did. That's why it's in H status.
Okay.
understood, Your Honor. I
Yeah.
have the copy of the motion to revoke here, so.
There we go. Good, 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 good.
It is still in A status, ma'am. Just
Yeah, it should be an H. It's all right.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. Who are you referring to that needs to be on H?
Strutton, who's going to be seen next, he just failed to appear to probation. It
Okay,
was on a
thank you.
motion to revoke. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you. Okay, you sit over there. And then I'll call you next. Mr. Stratton. Have a seat for me. This is your video court for your Kansas City, Kansas municipal charges. Will you put the headphones on for me? Unmute it, yes.
Hello, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have a motion to revoke that was filed on your probation because you failed to appear for probation on, looks like.
Nah, I showed up, ma'am. The guy said that I was 5 minutes late. He locked the door.
Hang
I was
on,
here.
hang on. I have your lawyer here, Mr. Copeland. And so I want you to ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room so
Breakout
that
room.
you can visit with your lawyer in private about this.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Copeland?
Thanks for giving me an opportunity to speak with my client on this matter. After speaking with my client and speaking with the city on this matter, the city would not be opposed to revoking and reinstating Mr. Strutton's probation. So we would request that the court adopt that recommendation.
All right. So what you're saying is that is he going to stipulate to the violation? Is
Yes,
that the plan?
the plan would be in exchange for him stipulating to that violation, the city would revoke and then reinstate his probation.
All right. Mr. Strutton, did you understand what your lawyer just said?
Yes, I was curious if I stipulated that, does that mean I'm doing jail time, then get back out on probation?
Well, no. What would happen is, first of all, let's discuss. You have an absolute right to have a hearing on this motion,
Right.
but by stipulating, you're agreeing. Okay. And
Okay.
what they're suggesting is to revoke you, reinstate you, and put you for a new date to start reporting to probation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
So there's no jail time or anything associated.
yeah.
That's what the suggestion is.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So let's back up. Did you wish to give up your right to that hearing on the motion to revoke and stipulate or agree that you failed to appear?
I failed to appear, but I agreed to
Okay.
stipulate, yeah.
All right. All right. So I will accept your stipulation. I will revoke your probation. I will reinstate your probation. And I want to give you a new date to appear.
Can I have
for-
one question for my
Sure.
orientation? Can I have if you can set the date like a week out so I have enough time to,
Yeah, I'm going to give you a couple options.
thank you.
Okay. I am looking at, because it's the 20th, so we could do September 3rd or the 10th. So that gives you a couple weeks.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
The third's fine.
3rd, and that's on a Thursday, and it's always at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, okay.
Right. And I'm sure that Mr. Copeland stressed to you that 10 means 10.
Yeah, yeah. Well, ma'am, I don't
Okay.
want to, I'm not making excuses, but I rode the bus
Yeah.
up here last time and this is the position.
Gotcha.
So, yeah.
Yeah. But I'm like, you need to plan accordingly because
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can't be late.
Yeah,
All right.
absolutely.
All right. And you know where to go here at City Hall, second floor,
Yep.
right? Okay. All right. So I will set your probation check-in for the 3rd, September 3rd, 10 o'clock.
Thank you.
All right. And we'll send over paperwork. They will release you today. Just be here on the 3rd.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right. You have
All
a
right.
good day.
You too, ma'am.
So this is your video port for your Kansas City, Kansas charges. Let's take a look here.
Hello?
Hello, I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. Let me get them pulled up here real quick. Domestic battery, destruction of city property, interference with an officer, trespassing, and failure to appear summons. I have appointed counsel for you. Mr. Copeland is here to talk to you about your cases. So what
Okay.
I'd like you to do is tell the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room so you can talk to your
Put me in a
lawyer.
breakout room so I can talk to my lawyer.
Mr. Copeland.
Your Honor, thank you for giving me a chance to speak with Mr. Park on his matters. After discussing Mr. Park's case, Mr. Park has accepted the plea offer that the city has provided, where in exchange for dismissing the destruction of city property charge, Mr. Park would plead guilty to the domestic battery as a first offense. He would plead guilty to trespassing, interference with an officer, and the failure to appear.
All right.
And we, the defense, would ask that you adopt the city's recommendations.
All right. Mr. Park, did you understand what your lawyer just said?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial on these matters? But by
Yes.
entering your plea, you're giving up your right.
I understand.
All right. I mean, you've got Mr. Copeland or some other lawyer from his office to help you navigate that trial. The city's got to prove you did these things. You don't have to prove anything. But by entering the plea, you're giving up that right. You understand?
I understand. Yep. Yep.
All right. So to the charges of failure to appear, interference, trespassing, and domestic battery, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty. Guilty.
All right. I will accept your pleas. That last charge is dismissed. As far as sentencing goes, yes, I will adopt the recommendations as they are noted. That you will serve a underlying jail your underlying jail sentence will be 90 days. Suspend all but 2 days. I believe you have been in for 2, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you'd get credit for that time. You'd be on probation for 1 year. During that time, during the probation period, you obviously will have to report to probation. You will have to do a domestic violence evaluation, follow those recommendations. You cannot have any weapon, no guns at all, no violent contact with Nicole, is it Gamble?
Yes.
And who is that to you?
She is a girlfriend of mine.
Okay. Just you can have contact with her, just no violent contact.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
And also, it's not to return to a location of Minnesota, 1901 Minnesota. You
Yep.
familiar with that place? Yeah.
Yes.
I always say there's plenty of places to go in Wyandotte. That's just one you can't. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Did you have any questions so far?
So I'll be getting out of here today then, and I'll be getting probation.
Right. You will be released today, but I'm going to pick a day for you to start to report to probation.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I will also assess the fines. There's total of $400 in fines also.
Okay. All right.
And you can pay those while you're on the probation. All right.
Okay.
All right. So to show up to probation, it's any Thursday at 10 a.m. So I'm looking at September 3rd or September 10th. What would work best for your schedule for a Thursday at 10?
How about the 10th?
All right. It'll be September 10th at 10 a.m. Where you need to report is City Hall here in Kansas City, Kansas, basically across the street from where you're at.
Okay.
It is on the second floor. So when you get out of the elevator on the second floor, it's just to the left.
Okay.
So if you can't figure it out, just make your way to City Hall and ask any security guard where it is.
Okay.
All right. And they'll
Thank
get you right where you need to be. Now, I will tell you, don't be late.
Okay.
Or if you fail to appear, either one of those will get you a warrant for your arrest. You'll be back in jail.
All right. Thank you.
So make sure you're here at 10 a.m. September 10th.
I will.
All right. Do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. We'll send over the paperwork to get you out.
Walter Coleman. This is your video.
I'll put this on.
Yeah, that's fine.
Hello, Mr. Coleman. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here that haven't been taken care of. That's why a warrant was issued and you're now in jail. The charges are giving false information, it looks like ×3, activating an alarm ×2, giving, let's see, what else? Assaulting a person, disorderly conduct. What I've done is I've appointed counsel for you. Mr. Copeland is here. What I'd like for you to do is visit with him so we can figure out how we're going to proceed.
Can I
I
can I
want,
s-
huh?
can I say something? I never missed court date in my life.
Well, hang on. I'm going to let you talk to Mr. Copeland so he can kind of ferret out what's going on. All right.
Okay, okay.
So I want you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. But I'll let Mr. Copeland discuss with you all the other ramifications. So if you would ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to Mr. Copeland in private.
A breakout room.
Yeah. Mr. Copeland?
Your Honor, thanks for giving me an opportunity to speak with Mr. Coleman about this matter. I have spoke with Mr. Coleman, and after reviewing the offer that the city has given Mr. Coleman, my client would wish to accept the recommendations by the city. As to now there is a choice as far as for the fines and costs. My client would opt to pay the costs instead of serving the 30 days jail.
All right. Let's see. Eligible to serve 30 days in lieu of the fines. Okay. All right. Mr. Coleman, did you understand what your lawyer just said?
Yes, ma'am.
That you are wanting to plead to at least 4 of the charges and all the other charges would be dismissed.
Correct.
All right. And do you understand though, but by entering these pleas, you're giving up your right to a trial?
Correct.
Mr. Copeland is here, or another lawyer from his office would help you with that trial. The city would have to prove you did these things. You don't have to prove anything. But by entering these pleas, you're giving up that right. Is that what you want to do today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So to the charges of 2 counts of giving false information and 2 counts of assaulting a person, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I will accept your pleas. The other charges will be dismissed. And I don't have any problems with that. I'm going to assess the fines. You will not have to spend the 30 days in jail. Okay.
Okay.
But you will have what's called an underlying sentence of 120 days. And what that means is if you don't pay and you don't report to probation and do the things that I'm going to tell you you have to do, then you could be looking at doing 120 days in jail.
I don't want to do that.
I don't know anybody that does. Okay. All right. So 120 days underlying jail. I'll suspend all of that. You'll get 12 months on probation. You must get a mental health eval and follow the recommendations of what they suggest. You got to refrain from any negative law enforcement contact. Try to stay out of trouble. Okay. Don't
Yeah.
violate the law in any way. And I will assess those fines that equal $1,500. Okay.
Okay.
Are you tracking with me so far?
Yeah, I'm following you.
All right. So now what's going to happen is you will get let out of jail today.
Yeah.
But we need to set a date for you to show up and start your probation.
ASAP.
All right.
I get paid on the 3rd of every month.
Okay. All right. Well, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set it for probation orientation for September 3rd. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. And what that means is that you have to come to City Hall. You know where that is?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Got to come to City Hall, be on the 2nd floor to probation at 10 o'clock on September 3rd.
September 3rd at 10
Yeah.
o'clock. Okay.
And we'll put that on some paperwork that we'll send to the jail. All right.
Okay. All right.
Now, do not be late. Or if you fail to appear, a warrant's going to be issued. So don't come at 10:02 or 10:07. No, 10 o'clock. All right.
Right. Yes,
All right.
ma'am.
So, all right. So do you have any questions at all?
So you blessing me to go home today so I can get this stuff ready?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So yeah, we'll release you, but to show up on September 3rd.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now all the other charges will be dismissed. So the only charges you have were the ones you pled guilty to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And just be here September 3rd.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If you don't have any other questions, that'll end the hearing and you
Oh,
can give your headphones back.
all right, thank you.
All right.
Okay, I'm changing pods and we're going to see Ladarius Jennings.
All right. Thank you.
While we're changing pods, ma'am, I'm going to run to the restroom.
Gotcha.
Kansas municipal charges. Go ahead and put the headphones on. And the judge will talk with you and your attorney will talk to you.
All right. Hello, Mr. Jennings. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have an unresolved matter here. It's a petty larceny charge. I have appointed counsel for you, Mr. Copeland, who is here. And what I'd like for you to do is visit with him so we can figure out how we're going to proceed. I wish you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial, and I'll let you talk to Mr. Copeland about that. So if you'd ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to your lawyer in private.
Okay.
Yeah, keep the headphones on. Yeah, keep your headphones on. She'll put you in a breakout. Mr. Copeland?
Your Honor, thanks for giving me an opportunity to speak with Mr. Jennings on these matters, or on the singular matter. After discussing this case with my client and the facts of the case, Your Honor, I would request that we hold a hearing, as I believe there may be a speedy trial issue with this case.
Oh, okay. All right, well then what I will do, how long will it take you? Are you gonna do a formal motion or how do you want to proceed?
We could certainly, if you would like, if the court would request that formal motions be filed, or if the court would rather just prefer an oral motion, or an oral, yeah, no motion to be filed, whatever works best.
All right,
The defense
Um,
would be willing to work with either one.
gotcha. Mr. Jennings, are you being held on anything else right at this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, I don't want to go into it. I just was inquiring. Do you know your next court date over in district court?
The 10th of September.
Oh, September. Okay, all right. And what's it set for? Do you know?
A
Like,
preliminary.
Oh, it's a preliminary hearing? Gotcha. Okay. I just wanted to figure out, kind of what's going on. All right,
Gotcha.
let me go to my calendar here, see if I can. What I'll do is, you said the 10th of September, right?
Yes.
Mr. Copeland, will you be ready on September 4th? I can bring him over so that we can be in court to do that.
Yes,
that work?
we can be ready by that date. Are you requesting for a formal motion to be filed?
No, you do you. You can
Okay,
do it
then.
either way.
If it's okay, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Well, I'll bring him over September 4th at 8:30. Okay. So that won't interfere with your preliminary hearing, and we'll be able to, at least get something done on this case. Okay.
Yes,
All right.
ma'am.
All right. So, Ms. Sherry, if you can get that paperwork, do a transport order. And so we'll see you in court September 4th to hear this motion. All right.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right. You have a good day.
You too.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, we have Davion Miller.
All right. Thank you.
Mr. Miller, this is your video recording for your Kansas municipal charges. Headphones are for a private conversation. Talk to your attorney.
Hello, Mr. Miller. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have an unresolved matter here. It looks like an assaulting a person. Received the ticket January 22nd of 2026. I have appointed counsel for you, Mr. Copeland, who is here. I wish you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in this matter. But I will let Mr. Copeland talk to you about all your choices. So if you'd ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to Mr.
Excuse me,
Copeland
miss.
privately.
Can you put me in a breakout room, please?
Go ahead, Mr. Copeland.
Your Honor, thanks for giving me an opportunity to speak with Mr. Miller on this matter. After discussing the matter with my client, we would ask for a brief continuance. As of right now, I don't believe our office, the ADC office, has discovery on this matter. So we would just we would ask for if even just if a week would be enough for the city, or if not, 2 weeks to continue this matter so we can review discovery with our client.
All right. Well, I note, Mr. Miller, that you have a preliminary hearing scheduled for August 27th. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me what's that? What the preliminary is for? Because in they system it says failure to appear, but like what's the actual charge?
Oh, I see what you're saying. Here, although I have nothing to do with any of that, I'll look up the charge that you have.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
While I'm looking that up, though, I'll probably bring you over probably after your preliminary hearing, because I can't get you over here before that, August 27th. That's like Tuesday. Okay. Does that make sense? All right.
Yes.
All right. So let me just look this up real quick for you. Okay. Well, never mind. All right. Let me see. Well, thought it would be easier than that, but it is not. theft of property times 2. All right,
Okay.
that's all I know. That's all I know. All right, so I can't bring you over until after your preliminary hearing. But let me just check my calendars here. I'll bring you over on September 11th. It'll be at 1 o'clock. Mr.
Okay.
Copeland, will you have somebody here to help him look over the discovery?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
and
Your Honor.
I'm assuming that you'll have enough time to get the discovery. Miss Hutton, is that feasible to get the discovery to him?
Yes, ma'am. I just sent an email to Miss Walton asking her to update it, and it looks like we just I don't know why we didn't get it before.
All right, sounds good. All right, so we'll bring you over on that date, the September 11th at 1 o'clock, and that way you'll be able to review your discovery. All right.
All right. Thank you.
We'll do a transport order and take care of you at that time. All right.
All right. Yeah. Have a good.
You have a good day also. If the next person up is Miss Ortiz, Mr. Copeland, what happened was Miss Ortiz was given house arrest for her sentence. She was running afoul of house arrest, either one, not doing a breathalyzer when she was supposed to, leaving when she was unauthorized leaving. So I issued a warrant and we need to have a hearing on this matter, or she can agree that she violated the confines of the house arrest program. She did turn herself in because the warrant was issued, and I believe Miss Holton gave her that information, and so that's why she's in custody.
Understood, Your Honor. I have one concern about Miss Ortiz as well, or rather concerning the ADC's office's representation.
Oh, I got you.
Specifically,
Yeah,
it appears that Mr. Norman oh, what is his last name? I believe Mr. Edwards. I may have the wrong last name, but I believe
Edmonds,
Edmonds.
right,
I believe Mr. Norman Edmonds had been representing her. And
right.
so I
Yeah.
don't see a formal withdrawal matter on, even though
Gotcha.
it was a
Well,
quote
here's
unquote
what I'll
disposition.
do is I'll ask Miss Ortiz if he's still representing her and that has she had any contact. Okay. And if that's the case, I'll continue it so we can get Mr. Edmonds on board here.
Understood.
Yeah. But I just wanted to touch base with her to figure out her situation.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
Yeah. Then you have a seat there for me. Ms. Ortiz, you have a seat here. This is your video course for your Kansas City, Kansas. Okay.
Miss Ortiz?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. I'm assuming you understand why you're in custody because there was some issues with house arrest.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So have you had a chance to contact Mr. Edmonds, your lawyer?
Yes, I have. I talked with him, and he instructed me to tell you, the truth, and the honest to God truth is that I need to be more better organized. Um,
Mhm.
the There's no excuse whatsoever. I take
Right.
responsibility for what happened, but the place where I stopped to that was on.
Well, I'm going to stop you because what I want to do is because there's this allegation that you did this. I don't know that you did it, but what was presented to me at least gave me pause to issue a warrant for you
Oh, okay.
because I can't, because house arrest is supposed to be jail.
Yeah, and
And if, hang on,
sorry,
and if
sorry.
you're out roaming about without authority to be out, then we get, I mean, it's like an escape.
Oh my
Okay, and I
gosh.
can't have it. I mean, that's true. That's what it is.
Can I
So
say something?
I don't want you to tell me things that might get you into trouble. All
No,
right.
no, and
So,
I take responsibility. Yes, those things
right.
did happen, but it's not quite how it sounds.
Yeah, exactly. And that's why I'm going to stop you because I want your lawyer to kind of filter what you want to say to me. Okay? Because I
I
don't
I
want you to get in
I
trouble.
don't.
All
I'd
right.
like to tell
So
you
what
the
I'm going to
truth.
do is I don't believe any the warrant was issued. I don't believe there's an amount or anything. I don't know if you can post a bond. I'm going to set your bond because this was a DUI. I'm going to set your bond at $1,500, and I'm going to continue this matter to September 4th at 8:30. Now, if you are still in custody, we'll transport you over. We're going to send notice to Mr. Edmonds so that he can be present if that's how it's going to be. Um, but that will be what's going to happen at this point. But I just wanted to put eyes on you so that I could explain why you're where you're at
Mhm.
and your new court date and whether you had met with Edmonds. But we will send a notice to Mr. Edmonds. If you make the bond, just be here on September 4th at 8:30. If you don't, we'll have you transported over. All right?
And
So
is that going to be like cash bond?
that's a cash bond, yes. All right. So my suggestion is contact Mr. Edmonds so you can get a game plan.
It
I
has to be the
will,
full 1,500.
yes.
I
And
have three
so
kids, Your Honor, and my
I,
mom
I,
doesn't have no one
well,
to help her.
well, uh, I'm just going to say that's my order at this time. Uh, we'll see you here September 4th, one way or the other, and we will also send notice to Mr. Edmond. All right, so that'll conclude the hearing.
Oh my
We'll
God.
see you September 4th.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Sexton, the next person is Jamie Sexton.
All right.
Hello.
All right. Ms. Sexton, you have some unresolved matters here. There's quite a few of them. One, two, three, four trespasses, a destruction of property, possession of drug paraphernalia, a battery charge, a resisting arrest, a loitering, failure to appear summons. I have appointed counsel for you, Mr. Copeland, who is here on the Zoom. What I'd like for you to do is visit with him so we can figure out how we need to proceed. You have an absolute right to a trial in these matters, but I'll let you visit with Mr. Copeland to figure out what the best way to proceed is.
Okay.
So the person that gave you those headphones, if you would ask them to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to Mr. Copeland in private.
Hmm.
And Miss Sherry, if you put Ortiz in a H status,
Yes, ma'am.
thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Go ahead, Ms. Copeland.
Your Honor, thank you for giving me a matter or giving me time to speak about these matters with Ms. Sexton. After speaking with my client on this matter, there are two things I would like to address to the court. One, the first would be a continuance to review the evidence, as I don't believe we have evidence yet. So we would ask for a continuance to get that or get that for this matter. And then the second would be I would wish to request to the court to issue or to modify the bond for an OR for Ms. Sexton.
All right, Ms. Sexton, here's my only concern. These cases are old. Warrants have been out for you. You got picked up again. What guarantee do I have that you're going to show up?
I have been struggling. I'm trying to get my housing. So I have my identification, everything that I need for my housing. My appointment's on the 24th. So I done came a step up to where I can actually be able to get myself together. I'm getting my self together so I can take care of what I need to take care of.
If I may, Your Honor.
Sure.
The strongest guarantee that we can give is that if she is granted the OR, she'll be able to have housing. And with housing, similar to what she has said, she'll be able to build herself up and, get out of the spiral that she's in. So that's why we would ask for that OR bond.
All right. You said your meeting is on Monday?
I have it on the 24th at 9 o'clock.
All right. Then I'm going to set this August 27th.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Hutton, you get the discovery, do what you got to do.
Yes, Your Honor, I've already sent an email out to Ms. Walton.
Because I want to see some good faith on Ms. Sexton's part to show up on August 27th.
Forgive me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Is their court scheduled for that day?
Oh, you're right. August 28th. August 28th. All right.
Mm-hmm.
I can do morning or afternoon. What's better for your schedule for Friday, August 28th?
Afternoons, please.
Okay. All right. I'm going to schedule it for August 28th at 1 o'clock. Do you know where you're supposed to be?
No, I'm not.
All right. City Hall.
Okay.
On the second floor.
Okay. Well, we normally have court over across the street.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. So if you can't remember anything, just be to City Hall and say, I need to go to court, and they'll get you up here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. August 28th at 1 o'clock. I will let you out so you can make your appointment. And I look forward to hearing that you got a place to stay on August 28th. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. We'll send over the paperwork. I don't know how fast they'll get you out, because they have other duties to attend to, but we'll send over the paperwork for that. All right.
Thank you so much.
All right. You have a great day.
You too.
All right.
Bye.
Okay, Ms. Sexton was our last one today.
Yes. Have a great weekend.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Judge.